Ryan's got our full forecast. Pretty quiet for the most part for now. And then we get really cold, it sounds like.
Yes, coming right back. Wanted to pass along, just heard that RSU 56 in the Dixfield area, some type of power issue, so there is an early dismissal there. So newsroom wanted me to pass that along. Don't believe it'd be weather related. We don't have much going on other than a few snow showers up there, and not much wind today either, so that's a good thing. Hopefully we get the power fixed pretty soon there. 29 in South Portland. This is looking out over Spring Point at this point. We had a few snow showers around Greater Portland. Those have all moved south. May still be a few flurries that are kind of flying underneath the radar and not being picked up, but nothing that's all that heavy. A few snow showers offshore, a couple of light flakes moving toward Belfast at this point, and a few more snow showers that are mainly fizzling out now up here in the hills and around Route 2 at this point. Here are the numbers at 1247, 30 degrees in Freiburg, 24 in Bangor, and we're at 29 right now in Portland. There are a few breaks of sun out there. It is going to be cold for the rest of the week for that matter, and then even colder this weekend. And we have new cold that comes down from Canada with that next area of high pressure. So a spotty flurry or light snow shower possible the rest of the day today. Otherwise, it's just quiet and chilly. Tonight we start out clear, and then some clouds will increase toward and after midnight. And there could be a few flurries or snow showers, mainly in northern Maine tomorrow. I don't really see it being much of an issue though, probably even fewer than we have out there right now. Partly sunny to the south, temperatures get back into the mid and maybe a few upper 20s in southern and central Maine tomorrow, mainly in the teens off to the north, and just a light northwest wind, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So the wind chill, not much of a factor tomorrow for that matter either. Very moisture-starved little disturbance comes through tomorrow. Then it's a tad colder on Friday in the mid-20s south, around 20 farther north, and teens up in the mountains. And you can see the next area of snow is already on the map Friday at noon, and you'd think this would just travel in from west to east, right? Well, what's actually going to happen is that cold coming down from Canada is going to push more south than it does east. So that means for us, it's actually going to be colder on Saturday around New York City than it will be here. It'll still be cold here. And in between, there is going to be a band of snow. And where that band of snow sets up and how much of the state gets into it, still a little uncertain at this point. The storm here is going to organize offshore, but it pulls away from us instead of pulling toward us. So that means that on Saturday, it doesn't look like we get a significant snow at this point. Everything's kind of not coming aligned for that to happen. And you can see the best chance for any more plowable type accumulations probably to our west, but we still have to watch it around here. There is a chance for some fluffy snow on Saturday, and then we turn sharply colder on Sunday. Look at the wind chill Sunday morning, and you can almost tell by this map the coldest of the cold will be to our west because the wind chills all much lower to the west than they will be in eastern Maine. But through the day on Sunday, it's just going to remain cold and blustery, not much improvement in that wind chill. Take a look at the next 7 days. Could be a few flurries tomorrow, and then Friday's partly sunny in the lower half of the 20s. A chance for some snow on Saturday. I think your best bet for any is in western Maine and New Hampshire, but again, we'll just have to see if that area of snow pivots through more of the state. Blustery and frigid behind that for Sunday. If you're going out for any game watch parties, it is going to be cold, and then we do climb back out of the freeze, it looks like, by the middle of next week, guys.
All right, little warm up again.
Yeah.
Will be nice when it gets here. Ryan, thanks so
You're
much.
welcome.